Alright guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. Today we basically going to remove the motor mount for this 2015 Toyota Sonic. Oh my goodness, Chevy Sonic, guys. You know the sun is hot out here. The brain don't work like how we used to. Something like that. But yeah, what we did, we basically put the jack underneath the oil pan and jack it up slowly. You could use like a piece of wood or use a flat rock and just jack it up slowly, guys. And the size to get it off is a 15. So you go trying to get it. Alright guys, so you know, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Remember, you don't want to strip it, so be careful. Yeah, you don't want to strip it. And there's these bolts right here. That one, and that one right there. Alright guys, so we got a 15, and we're using a power tool impact gun. Yep. There we go.
Jack it up a little bit to drop.
Alright.
Every time it drop, there we go. Yep. Just like that. Yes, sir.
Alright.
Okay, so now it's these here inside.
So now we gotta get these ones inside. Yeah, loosen them up some more. There we go. Is it the same size?
Yep.
Wow.
Oh, this
Hold on. The ends is a different size, huh?
Yeah.
What size is that? It's a 5/8. 5/8.
Yep.
All right.
Which one go with that piece? This one?
Wait. Get the other. Where's the other one? Yeah, get the other one.
This one first?
Nah,
The short, this one? You think it'd be better with most?
yeah, it'd be. Hopefully, you could have enough leverage. It's too big. Get one of the small ones. Yeah, use that small one right there, under the bag, yeah. Because we basically could switch it, turn it to see, turn the left way. Hopefully you have enough leverage. Go down there. It's fit properly? No, it's not fitting properly. It's probably a different size then. Did it turn?
It's on now.
It's on, but you probably couldn't get it down properly. No, you're not gonna get it that way. Use the extension. Let me see it. Before you even get it, just try to do it like this. Then you try to, yeah, get it on there properly, and then twist. All right, hold on. All right, this is what we're gonna do. Get the extension. Get the longer one. Yeah, since there's no leverage, yeah. That's the only problem with this long one. It's not the, you go back and forth easy.
Yeah.
All right, go ahead. Yep, you got it. Perfect. Yeah. Yep. And think about it, you know, now you could get the small one and do it because you already pop it, you already broke it loose. Man, it's hot. Ooh. Yeah, you easily just do it now. Yeah. Yeah. You might have to need the longer one to break that other one loose again. No, just take this part off. No, this part. Yeah, take that part off and just use the longer one again. Yeah. And we got to drop down properly so you don't.
See, but the bolt is too.
Oh.
You see what I'm saying? The bolt is
oh.
You can't push
wow.
it.
So you need a longer
extension.
So you think the short one will do, or it's still not gonna? Yeah, it's gonna be like the same. It shouldn't. Yeah, it's not gonna. It's not deep enough. So we need a deep socket then. For the end, you need like a deep socket. Yeah, cause it come up too long. Let me show you guys what we're talking about. See right here, it's too long. Came up too much. Need like a deeper socket. So it's just this one, huh? This one holding us back, huh? It always got to be one thing. When you get to the end, close to the finish line, there's always some foolery. It just never fails. All right, can we use the impact gun?
That's what I was thinking.
What size?
What size is this? 15?
That's a 15, and what's that? Like a 5/8? Yeah, yep, we got it. Yep, there you go. Got them. There you go. It's good to have extra tools, guys. Same match, right? Yeah. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah. Alright guys, as you can see, we got the new one. We removed the old one. Is right here. As you can see, old motor mount, brand new motor mount. It is the same. So we basically went to AutoZone. We told the guy to scroll because he was like saying that it's a special order, but he scrolled and he found one. So it's the same brand. This is Duralast. This is the original. Yeah, perfect match. Now let's get down to business and install it. Yep, matched up perfectly. Perfect match. You can see the holes. Yep. Perfect match. Easy as 1, 2, 3. So once again, this is a 2015 Chevy Sonic. We got the jack. We jack it up from the oil pan. We use like a block, or you could use a piece of wood. Jack it up, and then when you start taking the bolts off, it's gonna drop. So you got to jack it up again and take off the bolts. So it's a piece of cake, guys. No big deal. I was watching another video and the guy was saying that you're gonna need a different bolt. He was giving some foolery thing, but hey, you live and you learn. We using back, as you can see right here, we using the same bolts, and it is a 15. lefty loosey, righty tighty, and we're gonna use the power drill to install all the bolts back. So, piece of cake, guys. It's a beautiful day today, as you can see. It's nice, sunny. It's actually hot, nice and sunny here in Florida. That's the other one had fell. I can't even see. I see it. But can your hands reach it? Because my hands are so big. If you had like a magnet, just stick it down there, and I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera. Let me zoom in. See the bolt is right there. Right there. You see it, right? Mm-hmm. Right there. Sometimes when you guys be at the shop, you be wondering why they be taking so long. Sometimes they end up with some type of mess like this too.
Where is that right here?
It moved. You got it? Because it moved.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, perfect. You be wondering why they be taking so long when you don't have the right tools. Because some of them have the magnet that they use to stick it down and get whatever piece that's that fell in between the engine mount or whatever, engine bay. Yep. I need to get the small one, but thank God this one works. Perfect. And last but not least, yeah, it's too small, huh?
Which one was that?
What extension you looking for, or?
That was a short. Can I use it?
Because remember,
Okay,
this is going to be too big, and that's what we use. You can't use no other, because this one
we used,
came
right?
it came up too high, so that's why we use the power gel to take it off.
Okay.
So it's good. It's good. It's good. There ain't gonna be no more rattling if you start. All right. So now basically got to put. Ooh, we forgot to ask them about the filter. We were so worried about the engine mount. We forgot to ask them about the brand new filter. How much you want to go back? We could go back. We could probably go to Advance and see what's the price. Oh yeah, Walmart too. We could go there, but I'm not going inside. That's the problem. Because at Walmart, you literally you have to look for it. In the oil area over there. Yeah. So.
And I know this need to be cleaned, the oil cell, because you see the oil.
Yeah.
You need to beat that top. Valve cover gasket.
Alright guys, so this is basically how you remove the motor mount. As you can see right here, he's replacing the intake box. Yeah, just line it up. Pretty easy and simple. The good part about it, when it's time to replace this, at least we don't have to remove that no more, because we already replaced the motor mount. So it's a piece of cake right there. And this is, you just drop it in there, put that back in there, line it up. Pretty easy, pretty simple. Piece of cake, 1, 2, 3. And yeah, there's 2 screws is on there, one there and one on the other side. So you just need, what bit is that anyways? It's a T what?
T25.
Yeah, T25 to install it back. I don't know why they didn't just stick with a normal a normal Phillips screw. They're trying to do extra. I don't know why. Give you more work when you take it to the dealership. Oh, it costs this and costs that.
Yep.
You gotta be careful with it too. You don't want to strip it. So make sure everything is lined up. Go ahead. I got it. Perfect. Yeah. Alright, so that's how you replace it. Pretty easy and simple. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Really appreciate the love, the support. You know, peace. Take care. Bye bye until I upload another one. God bless.